Hello student, today we do exercise 3.3 example 7 to 10 method substitution. Example 7 is on your screen. Solve 7x minus 15y equals to 2 equation number 1, x plus 2y equals to 3 equation number 2. Solution from second, x is equals to 3 minus 2y. Put x in equation number 1. Equation 1 is, in place of x we will put 3 minus 2y. Solving 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14y minus 15y equals to 2. Minus minus plus, sign is of minus. This 21 goes to right hand side, becomes of minus. Plus minus minus, sign which is greater, that's why minus 19. Cancel, y is 19 by 29. Now put this y in x. Put y in x. X is equals to 3 minus 2 into 19 by 29. Take LCM. Divide from denominator, it comes 29. Multiply it by numerator. You can multiply here like this, see. 87. Divide 1, multiply, becomes 38. Now we will minus 38 from 87. X is 49 by 29. At last you have to write the answer. X is 49 by 29 and y is 19 by 29. Example number 8. Aftab tells his daughter dash dash dash, as you will be. This one is the question number 1 of exercise 3.1, which we have already discussed in exercise 3.1 by graphical representation. There was father's age, means to say Aftab's age was 42 years and his daughter age 12 years. Now we will solve it by using substitution method. Statement is on your screen. Equation number 1, equation number 2. From equation second, I am going to express x in term of y. मैंने x को y की टर्म में एक्सप्रेस किया तो मुझे 6 plus 3y मिल गया. Now put x in equation 1. 6 plus 3y minus 7y equals to minus 42. Solving minus 4y. This 6 goes to right hand side. Minus minus plus, sign is of minus 48. Cancel minus from minus. Then y is 12. Now put this y in x. Put y in x. X is equals to 6 plus 3 into 12 makes 42. Hence, Aftab's age 42 years and his daughter age equals to 12 years. Student, of class 10th. Listen carefully. Here are two methods to solve pair of linear equations in two variable. Number one is graphical representation. Another one is algebraical method. In algebraical method, there are substitution, elimination, cross multiplication, reducible method. You can solve by any method if method is not mentioned and answer will be same always. जैसे कि आपने क्वेश्चन ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन से किया था तो आफ्ताब की एज 42 ईयर्स और डॉटर्स की एज 12 ईयर आई थी. सिमिलरली हमने अब किया है सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से, दैट इज ऑल्सो सेम. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 9, एग्जाम्पल 10. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट example these are. Here something change in these examples. See, the cost of 2 pencils and 3 eraser is rupees 9 and the cost of 4 pencils and 6 erasers is rupees 18. Find the cost of each pencil and eraser. Let cost of pencil rupees X, cost of eraser is rupees Y. According to question, how many pencils? 2, cost 2x plus 3y equals to 9, equation number 1. Important thing is that you have to read the statement, you should know meaning, every word to form the situation. Next one is 4x plus 6y equals to 18, equation number 2. Now we will solve it by using substitution method. From 1, 2x is equals to 9 minus 3y, then x is equals to 9 minus 3y by 2. Put x equation 2. Solving 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 2 9 जा 18, 2 3 जा 6y plus 6y equals to 18. Cancel. Here 18 is equals to 18. See, there is no x, no y. Constant is equals to constant, means to say given pair of equations having infinite many solution, that means given equations having infinite many solution. अगर आपके पास इस तरह की कंडीशन आ जाए, कांस्टेंट इज इक्वल्स टू कांस्टेंट, देन नथिंग टू वरी, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. मीन्स टू से इक्वेशन हैविंग मैनी सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 10. 2 rays are represented by x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. Will the rays cross each other? We know that rays going to parallel. Okay na? From first, from equation 1, x is equals to 4 minus 2y. Put x in equation 2. 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4y plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. Cancel. 8 minus 12 equals to 0, minus 4 equals to 0. But it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because we know that minus 4 is not equal to 0. These two values are डिफरेंट, अलग अलग है दोनों ही वैल्यूज. सो गिवन इक्वेशंस having no solution. Keep concentrate everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling everyone.